example, di ba the role of police officers or law enforcement officer is to protect life and property. Tama? Protecting life, safeguarding the life of the community. However, what if yung community naapektuhan sila because of the illegal activities of the VIP na pinagsisilbihan mo? So, pinoprotect mo yung community, pero when it comes to this, pinoprotektahan mo din to, so ano nangyayari? Diba? Bias, and mawawala yung tiwala sa'yo ng public. Kasi may ginawa tong masama sa amin. O bakit pinoprotektahan ng pulis? So, ibig sabihin, bias. So, mawawala na po yung public trust. Nagigets po? And aside from that, hindi lang po yung reputation ng police officer, specific police officer, yung napapasama, pati din yung whole organization. Diba? For example, merong, diba, dun sa mga issue before, meron lang police officers na mali yung pagkalabit ng baril na patay niya yung kasamahan niya. Sino yung damay? The whole organization all around the Philippines. Pero that case happened only in Batangas. Diba? Naglilinis si police officer ng baril, I think SWAT to, and then biglang sumali si another officer. Pagka kalabit niya, may bala pala. Hindi niya na-empty. Nabaril si yung unang police officer, patay. So, sino yung sinisi? Lahat ng organization. Why? Because according to the public, hindi daw dumaan yung police officer or SWAT na yun sa training. Or hindi niya alam yung rules kapag nag-i-engage or gumagamit ng gun. What is the first rule? Make sure it's empty before ka magkalabit or before mo pindutin yung trigger. So, dun sa Batangas lang po siya nangyari, but the whole police officers na damay, hanggang sa naungkat yung mga corruption, yung mga use of force ng mga police officers. So, damay-damay na siya. Okay po?